Wow, look at that.
It's a little high.
And there's no way to reverse that. If you roll that, you go too far.
Yeah, you take it, throw it in a dumpster, and cut another piece and start over. That's how you reverse it. No problem.
No problem. You don't hit it with a hammer or anything?
You got all the time in the world, man. I'll let it cool down and I can pressure test this thing, and I'm sure I'll find a bunch of little leaks and then fill them. We're good to go.
The big day is finally here, but for Billy Lane, fatigue has taken its toll. His competitors are already unloading, but Billy will need to wake up and switch gears from being a bike builder to race promoter and competitor.